Welcome to our deep dive into fingerprint sensor technology. Today, we are comparing ultrasonic and optical fingerprint sensors, exploring how they work, their strengths, and what makes them suitable for different devices. Introduction. Fingerprint sensors are essential for smartphone security. While there are multiple types, ultrasonic and optical sensors dominate the market. Let's see how each works, their advantages, and their limitations, so you can understand why some phones use one over the other. Technology. Ultrasonic sensors use sound waves to scan your fingerprint, creating a detailed 3D map of ridges, valleys, and pores. On the other hand, optical sensors use light to capture a flat, 2D image of the fingerprint surface. Essentially, ultrasonic gives depth, while optical captures the surface. Security. When it comes to security, ultrasonic sensors clearly lead. The 3D mapping makes it very hard for anyone to spoof your fingerprint using fake moles or photos. Optical sensors are less secure since 2D images can potentially be tricked using high-resolution images or fake prints. Performance. Performance-wise, ultrasonic sensors excel even when fingers are wet, but thick screen protectors or dirt can sometimes interfere. Optical sensors may struggle with wet or dirty fingers, but they usually work well with most transparent screen protectors. Cost. Cost is another important factor. Ultrasonic sensors are more expensive to manufacture, which is why they are mostly found in premium smartphones. Optical sensors are cheaper, making them common in mid-range and budget devices. Applications. Ultrasonic sensors are ideal for high-end devices where security is a priority. Optical sensors, meanwhile, are widely used in everyday applications like attendance systems, low-cost phones, and general ID verification, thanks to their affordability and compatibility. Pros and cons. To summarize pros and cons, ultrasonic sensors offer high security and work well with wet fingers but come at a higher cost and can be affected by thick screen protectors. Optical sensors are cheaper and faster but are less secure and can struggle with wet or dirty fingers. Visual comparison. Imagine a split-screen visual. On one side, ultrasonic sensors mapping a 3D fingerprint using sound waves. On the other, optical sensors capturing a flat 2D image with light. This really shows the depth advantage of ultrasonic sensors compared to optical. Summary table. Here is a quick comparison table. Ultrasonic uses 3D sound mapping, offers high security, performs well in wet conditions, and is expensive. Optical uses 2D light imaging, offers moderate security, struggles in wet conditions, but is affordable. This table makes it easy to see the differences at a glance. Conclusion. In conclusion, ultrasonic sensors provide higher accuracy and stronger security, making them perfect for premium devices. Optical sensors, while less secure, remain popular for cost-effective and widely compatible solutions, striking a balance between affordability and convenience. Don't forget to check out our related content with hashtags like #fingerprint technology, #ultrasonic sensor.